a friend, and a few other Pakistanis. This is standard equipment for most small workshops in Pakistan. Today's production is also a hard currency, a commodity that local recycling companies are desperately in need of: screw conveyor shafts. While these items are common, there aren't many posts showing the production process. Without further ado, let's get straight to work. The master is currently using chalk to mark the cuts on the mold to ensure there are no errors during later cutting. The hollowed out iron plate, after processing, is the main component of the screw shaft. You only need to position it in the middle. After marking the area, cut along the mark with a scissor cutter. Then offset and weld the two pieces together to create the conveyor shaft's most important spiral section. Where the surface is uneven, simply grind it to make it easier to weld. Without a professional press to adjust the angle of the iron plate, Old Eight's method is equally effective. Using a sledgehammer, hammer hard at the cut, and even the hardest iron will be smoothed out. Now offset and weld the processed iron plates together. Although this production method is not very efficient, the advantage is that the workshop can adjust the product size to whatever the customer requires. The only difference is the delivery time. The welded iron plate now has a spiral structure. Now it is placed on the prepared woolen steel pipe. The angle of the iron plate edge is then adjusted using a homemade tool. This is a key step in the subsequent product conveying efficiency, so the work requires a high level of experience from the craftsman. The welder is used to randomly adjust the head position. After a secure weld, the subsequent splicing process requires constant adjustment of the threaded mechanism distance. The complete welding operation requires the assistance of a self-made gantry. A wire representing the steel is placed in the middle of the iron plate as a fixed device. A hoist chain moves the middle steel pipe upward, allowing for easy adjustment of the distance. This work requires the coordinated efforts of several hands to ensure reliable weld strength and accurate splicing position. It only took about 10 seconds. In just 1 hour, a 9th level welder completed the final finishing touches, and a small conveyor shaft measuring 2.5 meters in length rolled off the production line without any further anti-wrist spraying. After being delivered to the customer, it only took a few days for the materials to be polished to a true shine.